Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here two unfinished houses on one large property for sale. The land size is 1.33 acres. They are located in the upscale community of Fairfield Estates, St. James. The main house has 10 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms with 2 floors. The plan is available for free. It is permitted to go up to 4 stories. The second house is about 90% completed and consists of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Price to sell. Cash purchasers only. Guys, let's take a look at these homes and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for these homes are US 275,000 or Jamaican $42.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.